Hello everyone, welcome to Chapter 1 of Understanding Node.js. In this video series, my goal will be to leave you with a deeper understanding of what Node.js is and what it can accomplish for you. Let's get started. If you haven't already, head over to the Node.js.org website and download the latest version of Node.js for your operating system. I'm going to head into Downloads and grab the 64-bit Windows installer. Once you're up and running, head into your command prompt and type node-v to output the version of Node you have installed on your machine, and also to ensure everything works as expected. Let's get our hands dirty with some real code. Open up your text editor and create a file called server.js. Remember where you save this file so you can tell Node to run it later. First, we're going to include Node's HTTP module, which comes pre-bundled with the tools you need to work with the HTTP protocol. Next, we're going to create a new Node server. Notice the create server function takes just a single argument, which is an anonymous callback function that will pass two arguments, the request and response objects. In this case, we're going to set a response body to a simple string. Finally, we will have Node listen for incoming requests on port 3000 and log a corresponding message into our console. Now let's see it in action. Head on over to your command prompt and navigate to the directory that you saved your Node file in. Then type node server.js. Head into your browser and navigate to http localhost:3000, and this outputs our message. Now let's make a few simple modifications to our script to show some additional properties we can set on our response object. First, remove the string argument we are passing to the end method. This is really just a shortcut. Next, let's explicitly set our response code and content type by using the response's writeHead method. In this case, our status code will be a 200 success, and our content type will be text/HTML. Then, by using the more verbose write method, we can set the body of our response as we did before. Then, we signal to the server that our response is complete by calling the end method. Finally, we are going to remove this separate call to .listen, and instead chain it to the end of our call to create server. This only differs in your opinion of code style, and I personally prefer the chaining method. Now, save your changes and restart your Node server. When we navigate to localhost 3000, our new changes should be reflected in our content. Although this is only a very gentle introduction to what Node.js can accomplish, it should give you a good ground to start playing on. Here are two small research projects that I would like you to complete before moving on to video 2. First, do a Google search on security with Node.js, so that you're aware of any potential security vulnerabilities you may want to watch out for while using Node. Also, navigate to the Node.js documentation and start reading the section on HTTP to see some of the things you can accomplish with this module. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see y'all in video 2.